Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Today in our plan we have the slope formula, lesson 4 in chapter 4 in algebra. Okay, we have continued this lesson today. So quickly, we have in this lesson, we know how to write the formula of the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I have 2 points like this, I can use the formula and find the answer, okay, the slope, and simplify it to write it in simplest form. You can use your calculator, it will be negative 2 over 3, okay? And check it out, we solved it before. If you want to stop the video and solve it as you like, okay? It will be 0 over 9 and the answer is 0. And remember that when you divide any 0 by any number except 0, it will be 0, okay? Also find the slope. You can check your answer. We have finished this in the school. Also, if you have fractions, you can do the same formula to find the slope. And the graph, if you have the graph, okay, to find the slope, you can determine 2 points on the graph, like the first point is 0 and 2, the second point -2 and the -2. So by using the formula, slope formula, we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 and substitute by the 2 points. So you have this answer. Also, if you have table, this table means you have now 4 different points. So if you use any 2 points, you can find the slope of this line. Any 2 points, it means you can use the first point 0 and 1, the second point -1 and 3, the third point -2 and 5, the fourth point 1 and the -1. Any 2 of them will give you the same slope, okay? And check it out the same if you have a graph or if you have table. And also the slope, we know it's the rate of change in the real world problems. To finding the slope can give you information about how quantity is changing. So in this question, the graph shows the average electricity costs in dollars for operating a refrigerator for several months. Find the slope of the line, then tell what the slope represents. Okay, we finished this also. The slope of this line, we have 2 points, so we can use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then substitute by the 2 points, so the slope is 6. What the meaning of the slope is 6? It means till the slope represents, we know that in this situation y represents the cost, the vertical line, and x represents the time. So the slope represents the change in the cost, which is the vertical change, over the change in the time, which is horizontal. It means a slope of 6 mean the cost of running the refrigerator is a rate of $6 per month. $6 per month. Okay? And check it out, we solved it before. Now, if you know the equation that describes a line, you can find its slope by using any 2 ordered pairs solutions. We have already this lesson in geometry and we explain it. Today we explain it in algebra. Find the slope of the line described by 4x minus 2y equals 60. In this question, you can find the intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept. And we remember that to find x-intercept means put y equals 0. Put y equals 0, you have the x-intercept. So 4x minus 2 times 0 equals 16. So 4x equals 16 and divided both sides by 4, so x is 4. and then find y-intercept by putting x equals 0. So 4x minus 2y equals 16 means 4 times 0 minus 2y equals 16 means negative 2y equals 16, and divided both by negative 2, so y is negative 8. So the slope is, we have 2 points. When you have, look here please, when you have x-intercept 4 means we have the point 4 in x and 0 in y. And because y-intercept is negative 8, so we have 0 in x and negative 8 in y. We have 2 points and we can use the formula now. And I explained for you another way in geometry how to find the slope if you have the equation. Check it out. Please stop the video and solve alone by this way. Now check your answer the same ways. And this is lesson quiz, okay? And please, you can solve this quiz and send it to me. Also, you can open your book, page 257, and solve it all. And we have also page 258. So we have 257 and 258. See you later, inshallah.